Back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. So here I am with the important questions from the chapter surface areas and volume, and they are mainly from the multiple choice question. Okay, so without wasting your time, we will try to solve all these questions. Okay, they're very important, and the PDF will be available on my Telegram as well as the WhatsApp group. Okay, you can join the channel, okay, or the group by clicking the description available. Okay, sorry, that is not description, link available in the description box. Okay, so let us start this. If the area of a circle is 49 pi square units, okay, then its perimeter is dash. Okay, so what is the perimeter of a circle? It is 2 pi r, correct? And they have given area of the circle as how much? 49 pi. It means what is area? Pi r square, and that is equal to 49 pi, right? If you substitute like this, okay, area formula is this and this is same. So pi will get cancelled. What will be r? Root 49, which is equal to 7. Now 2 into pi into 7, how much is that? 14 pi. Do we have that option? Yes. So 14 pi is the right answer. And if this was not in the form of pi, this could have been 22 by 7, right? 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 44 units. Even this is correct. Got it? Moving to the next question. I hope you have understood. If the area of a circular base of a cylinder, okay, so whenever you get this question, you should know how a cylinder looks. If the circular base area, okay, it means again pi r square is how much? 22 centimeter square, and its height is 10. Okay, this is the height, which is 10. What is the volume? What is the formula for volume? Pi r square into h, right? Volume of cylinder. So we already have pi r square as 22 and h is 10. So it is just 220 centimeter cube. Since it is volume, it should be in cube. So 220. See, you have square also and cube also. Since it is volume, mark it centimeter cube. Next, the surface area of a sphere of radius. This surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, they have given it as what will be surface area if uh, radius is 7. So 7 square, 7 into 7, this 2 will get cancelled, and here you will get how much? 88, correct, into 7. So this is 6, and 7 is a 56 plus 6, how much is that? It is 62, correct? Am I right? uh, Sorry, 88 into 7 is 56 plus 5. So this is 1616, and it is surface area, so this will be in centimeter square. Keep that in mind. Okay, area should always be in unit square and volume in unit cube. This is area, so it is 616 centimeter square. Okay, moving to the next question. The base radius of the cylinder and right circular cone are equal. Okay, so cylinder and cone base radius is same. Okay, now if the volume of cylinder, okay, this volume is 360 centimeter cube, then the volume of cone is how much? This is always 1/3 of this. Remember that we have the formula pi r square h. This is volume for cylinder, and volume for cone is just divided by 3. So this is the answer, 120 centimeter cube. Option number A. Got it? Next is question, you can see it here. They have given the surface area of a sphere is 616, then the radius of same sphere. So again use the same rule, it is 4 pi r square. So surface area is 616, bring this 4 here, and this is pi. So pi is 22 by 7. If this goes to RHS and LHS, this becomes 7 by 22, right? and this is r square. So can we cancel anything? Yes, these two can get cancelled. 22 8s, if you solve, how much is this? Mm, it was a 16, is 16 1 7. Okay, so not 22, not 8s. If you do by 18s, how much will you get? Okay, if that is a little difficult, just solve by simplifying. Okay, so this is 2 2s, and this will be 2 3s, 0, and 2 8s. Now again 2 1s here, 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 4s. Now 22 into 7s, if you do, they will get this much. So this will get 7 into 7, that is 7 square, which is equal to r square. Square square get cancelled, r is 7. Okay, so radius is 7. This is centimeter, so this should also be in centimeter, that is centimeter square, since it is area. Okay, next is question this, the volume of the cone. Okay, this is the cone, means you have to write the formula. What is the formula of cone? It is pi r square h by 3. Okay, pi r square h by 3, option number C. Question this, the formula to find the TSA of a right circular cylindrical vessel. Okay, right circular cylindrical vessel of radius this, height this. What is the formula to find TSA? Okay, so you have two circle over here. Okay, one here, here, and this is 2 pi r, correct, h. So pi r square, 2 pi r h plus n plus pi r. So it is uh, okay, open at one end, that's why you have to read it properly. So open at one end means this is open, so this will not be there. So pi r square plus 2 pi rh, pi r square plus 2 pi rh, option number A. Okay, so read the question properly always. Next is to find the CSA of frustum of a cone as shown in the figure. The formula used is, what is the formula? It is pi rl for cone, r will just change, correct, surface area. So pi r1 plus r2 into L, option number C is the right choice. Next is question number this, the TSA of hemisphere, solid hemisphere. Okay, so TSA is how much? 462 centimeter square. If the CSA, if the CSA of it is this much, okay, CSA, so this is 4 pi r square. Okay, and if the CSA area of it is 300, then the area of base of hemisphere. Okay, CSA, we don't have CSA for hemisphere, got it, but still let us check. Solid, okay, hemisphere, sorry, they have given hemisphere, not sphere. I have drawn hemisphere. So TSA is this much, that is 3 pi r square, and CSA is 2 pi r square. So then the area of the base, okay, this base is how much? So 462 total minus 308. Okay, then how much you will get? 12 minus 8 is 4, then 5 minus 0 is 5, correct, and this is 4 minus 3 is 1, 154, option number C. Next question, the TSA of frustum of the cone open at the top. Okay, as shown in the figure, open at the top, then what will be the formula? See, for this we'll have pi r1 square, and for this pi r1 plus r2 into L, and since this is open, we don't have r2 formula. Okay, so these two when we combine we'll get the TSA. So which formula resembles? So pi is common in both. Okay, and here you can take r1 plus r2 into L. Yes, if you combine you'll get something like this. Okay, so pi uh, pi which formula is similar? Yes, it is option number C. If you look at carefully, see, pi L into R1 plus R2, again pi L into R1 plus R2 plus pi R1. Yes, you can see. So they have given separately. I have written here combined. So this is matching with our answer. So that's become the final one. Next is question number this, the slant height of a cone. Okay, so cone is like this. Slant height is means L. This is H and this is R. this type of question is related to Pythagoras theorem. Slant height of the cone whose base radius is 8 and height is 6. Therefore, what is L? So, use Pythagoras theorem. 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36, 100, which is 10. Option number D. Next, the formula to find the TSA of cylinder with base radius R and height H. Okay, TSA of cylinder. So, two circles, 2 pi r. Okay, and here pi r square, again pi r square, so 2 pi r, and this is 2 pi r h. So 2 pi if you take common you'll get 2 pi r if you take you'll get r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h, option number A. Okay, next is question number this, the volume of hemisphere of radius. What is formula to find hemisphere? It is, yes, 2 by 3 pi r cube, correct? So 2 by 3 into, see they have given option as pi itself. Here they don't have pi, so let us substitute with pi first, into r cube. R is 9, so 9 into 9 into 9, this becomes 3 3s are 9, and this is how much? 3 2s are 6, 9 6 are 54 into 9 pi. This is 6 486 pi. Yes, so we have that in option, and therefore that is the answer. Okay, next question. A toy is made up of the wood given as shown in the figure. The surface area of the toy. Okay, surface area, so it is surface area of cone, that is pi r l, correct, plus LSA or CSA of hemisphere, which is 2 pi r square, correct? So pi r ln 2 pi r square, yeah, it is here, option number A. Okay, next is question number this. Here it's mentioned 5. The formula to find the TSA of right circular cylindrical base radius and height h, open at one end. Again, open at one end. So pi r square plus 2 pi rh. This is the formula. Pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Option number A. Next, a solid is converted into another solid of different shape, and then the volume of new solid formed is, it is always same. Option number C remains same. Next, the total length of hemisphere of radius 1 centimeter. Okay, this radius is 1 centimeter is how much? So total length of hemisphere, so total length, this, it is 2 pi r by 2, since it is half, so 2 can cancel, and radius is 1, so answer is just pi unit, option number D. Next is question number 8. The radius and height of a cone. Okay, this is the cone. Radius and height of the cone, the radius and height of a cone are respectively equal to that of cylinder. Okay, okay, so they are equal to that of cylinder. Got it? If the volume of cone is 120, cone, yeah, cone they have given 120. What is volume of cylinder? So it is always 3 times. Volume of cylinder is more than 3 times of volume of cone, or volume of cone is volume of cylinder by 3. Both of these are same. So 12 3s are 36 0. So 360 centimeter cube. Coming to the last question. The radius of the solid sphere is r. It is divided into 2 equal parts. Okay. So solid sphere radius is r divided into 2 equal parts. Okay. Then the sum of the TSA of 2 parts. Sum of the TSA of 2 parts, again it's become how much? See, this is one part, okay, and this is one part. It's become hemisphere when we cut it. So this becomes how much? 3 pi r square, and again here it is 3 pi r square. Got it? It's become how much? Yes. So if you take half, this become hemisphere, and TSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r and 3 pi r square, and again 3 pi r square. So when we add these two parts, it's become 3 plus 3 6 pi r square. So option number D is the right choice. Got it? I hope you have understood this. We'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And all the best for your exams.